Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. We're gonna do a NGC unboxing, and I know there is inside a couple large cents from the United States, and when I sent to certify was in really low grade, but at the same time it is really tough to find a high grade sample from those years because it is old coins, and once you find a really good sample, the price is extremely high. There is extremely expensive coins. So it's a simple coins, it is a low grade, but I decided to show you guys because not everything in high grade we send to certify. Okay, we send everything you think is cool, is nice to be sent, everything you don't see every day. So here you go. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 coins inside. I sent 4 fucking pack certified. So let's start it. The first one is 1857 Fry Eagle. It is a euro coin. It is laminated, the mint euro, certified in very fine details. When I got this coin was, the way you can see, was really put up. You cannot see that much details on it. It's really low graded and of course damaged. But the thing caught my eye was right above of the eagle's wings, the huge cut in there on the field. There's a lamination. It's this really strong lamination. Looks like it's a deep tight crack. So that's the reverse is a little bit better condition, but the up first is really dark ugly coin. But I was really happy to see the lamination is really strong. If you, I know you cannot see it, but if you flip it, it's completely split. It's completely split. You can put a piece of paper inside. That's how strong it is, the lamination. So the first was 1857 Fry Eagle. Fry Eagle they make only 3 years, and that's one of them. The next one, let me clean it here. Just open. Let me wipe. The next one, it's a 1794. Like I said before, don't expect high grade. It's not gonna see here. It's a 1794 large cent. It's a trapast large cent. And the 1794, they have so many Ferraris, and I'll come by. They made only 918,591 coins. They struck only less than 1 million coins. So you still can see on your naked eye the date. And of course, it's fair. That's the lowest you can get the grade. So you're not gonna see details on it. You see? You're gonna see everything flat, but it still identify the coin. So you know if you hold the coin, which coin it is, because it still shows some extremely weak details. The noise in here, they just open another store. So everybody come to work, I'm sorry about that. So that one is 1794 fair details. The next one, it's a straight crate, 1801 trap-post large sand. It is a nice coin, low crate. 1801, they make a little bit more. They struck over 1.3 million. They have different varieties. Cheese AG3 brown. So the tape is full. You still can read a partial library on it. The rim touch the field. Everything is smooth. You can see the shades of the trap-post library, but you cannot see details on it. That's why the crate is low. The reverse always better the up first, and you can see more information, but the rim is still smooth with the field and touch the model. That's a 1801 large sand. And the last but not least, will be a 1802 trap-post in very fine condition, very good condition, certified very good details, environment damage. That's hitting normal to happen environment damage to the type of the coins. They make 3.4 million of them. This you can see more details on the library. You can see the full word library. You can see the full date. You can see some partial mouth, partial eye. You can see partial head details, and the whole face is complete. Everything is readable. That's why the creative card are very good details. Of course, you don't see details of the design, but you can see the whole shape on it, and you can see details between the neck and the dress, and the goes on. That's all we have for today. You have only 4 coins on this time, and I see you next time.